Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So it's me again, Shalise. You're not going to see my face again today. I did explain that in my previous video. My husband and I are recovering from Rona. By the time you see this on the upcoming Monday, he is negative and is back to work, and I am negative as well. So thank you for the prayers, the well wishes. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. I am an investor like you. I just happen to make videos. But I'm documenting our journey to financial freedom, and I'm hoping that you get some inspiration. And always, please beware of scammers and fake pages. I try to weed out the comments. I try to get the pages down, but you already know I am only active here on YouTube and Instagram. And thank you for all of the helpful reporting. I do appreciate it. So we're going to do some investing, some invest with me today. So I am filming this video when the market is down. I mean, this account was literally at like $52,000. So in like the last 7-10 days, it's down, but I'm not phased out. I knew this was going to happen. I made a video talking about I'm expecting a pullback. Again, I cannot time the market, but come on, the market has been just at all-time highs. We know a pullback is coming. Markets go up and down. Long term, they go up, but we've been noticing pullbacks. I know several of you have mentioned it. So long term, because look at this account year to date, 18.22%. Past year, 35%. All 54%. So long term, it works. Okay. I do have some money over here, $771. I'm not going to invest all of it today. I do have a specific list of what I want to buy today. Again, because I'm resting and recovering, I just want to kind of keep this like short and sweet, so no more than 10 minutes. So I really want to get some more Costco. I do think the stock is on the expensive side, and I would love for Costco to do a split. But I do like the company. Management is out of this world. Their financials are great. Look at the customer base. I mean, if you go on YouTube and you pull up Costco haul videos, they get thousands and thousands of views. I like Costco. So those are just some of the reasons why we like to invest in it. It's not for everybody. I want to make that clear. My channel is not for you to blindly follow me. And I'm not on here to blindly follow anyone else. Rather, it's to encourage each other to research and then just focus on building your share sizes. Now, because this is expensive, I try to invest a couple of dollars in every now and then. Real quick, guys, you can see the past week is down because, again, the markets have been down. The past month is up barely, but again, the markets have been regressing. The past 3 months is up about 7.14%. Year to date, it's up 34%. This is why it's important to zoom out or just look at the charts. You like zoom them out like the past year. You can see that long-term good companies, good ETFs, good index funds, mutual funds do go up. So the past year is pretty much up 60%. And the past 5 years, look, almost 200%. So I would love for Costco to do a split. I know everyone was so excited about the Schwab ETF split. So let me ask y'all a question below. Tell me a company or a fund like VTI that you would love to split. I would be so ecstatic if VTI did a split. You guys have no clue how ecstatic I would be if VTI did a split. But or VOO, did a split. Berkshire Hathaway, oh my goodness, if they did a split. So let me know down below. That's the question. Tell me a company or a stock or some type of fund that you would love to do a split so that the price could come down. Again, it won't change the value, but again, we just, we're talking here. So I'm going to invest in dollars, and I am going to put $100 in Costco. That is going to get me 0.011 shares. I'm going to press review order. Buy. The order was placed and the order was purchased. So I just put $100 into Costco, and this is our current position. So you can see we have about $1,973 invested. I just had to turn my volume up, so I hope that you could hear me. And our total return is about 23.5%. Average cost is $11.54, and our shares is 2.24%. So not bad, not bad at all. Okay, guys, so sorry I had to switch rooms. Kids are loud. So we're going to move on to SCHG, which I did talk about before. This is the Charles Schwab US Large Growth Cap ETF, or Large Cap Growth ETF. This is why I say the ticker symbols, because it gets complicated. So we can see the past week, it is, wow, just break even, but it has pulled back. Past month, actually, look at it, it's doing pretty good, about 2.5%. Past 3 months, 6.3%. Year to date, 28.36%. Past year, 48%. Past 5 years, 1.44 or 1.45 rounding up, and then max almost 800%. So again, long term, it does work. And I love that everything that I am investing in pays out a dividend. So I like a lot of dividend growth, because you can lose money investing in dividend securities or chasing yields and not really doing research. Research is so important. I cannot stress that enough. I do have a beginner investing playlist where I have several videos talking about research, how to research, websites I use to research. I have videos where you see me researching. So again, you can check those out. I'm going to put $100 in this as well. And this will get us about 3.78 shares. We're going to, oh, okay, look guys, look at this. So if you're trading on Robinhood, I love that this little blurb popped up. SCHD only trades in fractional shares during market hours, or when the market actually opens, okay? So keep that in mind. So some funds will allow you to buy their securities with fractional shares pre-market. Others, you have to wait until the market actually opens. The market is open officially from 9:30 a.m. Eastern until 4 p.m. Eastern, okay? So what I'm going to do is change this to whole shares, and I'm going to just put in 3, which is what we were going to get anyway, roundabout. So this will be $79.20. Review order. Click buy. Order was placed and purchased. And now we have 3 more shares of SCHG. And the goal for November was to get 10. So, we're doing pretty good. You could see right here our position. Our value is $1,409.20. Our total return is about 0.56%, or about $7.81. Our average cost is $26.25, and you can see we have 53.37 shares. So again, I'm just building slow. You don't see me, getting 100 shares at once. That's not the purpose of why I'm doing this particular video. I want you guys to see that small amounts do add up. And because we're in a new week, when you see this, I'm going to go ahead and just invest the $10 into SCHD now. So this would be like for week 4. Let me just click on that. And I hope they let me buy it. We're going to see. Let's see if they'll let me do this in fractional shares. $10. They may not let me, but let me see. Oh, they did. So interesting. They let me buy fractional shares with SCHD, but not with SCHG. Now, this is not Robinhood that's doing this. This is the broker. This is Charles Schwab. But interesting. That's, a little tidbit that I didn't really know. So again, I'm learning still that some ETFs will allow you to buy fractional shares pre-market. Others will not. And the same go for after hours. So you just gotta, these are just parts of the reason why you are investing consistently, and you are just monitoring any changes. So now I know that SCHG will not allow me to buy fractional shares pre-market. So, okay, I'm glad I know that. But again, we got our $10 of SCHD for week 4, and you can see our market value is now $39.48. We are slightly down as of this recording. The market has pulled back. I have been expecting this, but I love a good sale. Who doesn't love a good sale? Because I do. Our average cost is $28.20, and now we have 1.41%. So almost 1.5 shares by just putting $10 a week into SCHD. Something very affordable, very reasonable, can fit in any budget, and from scratch. Okay, so we have those SCHD shares over in the other account, but it's just so good to see that we're building slowly here. So I just wanted to buy just Costco, SCHG, and SCHD in today's video, which I did. I'm going to get out of here. Leave me a comment down below answering the question of the day, like which stock or ETF would you love to have a split? I'm going to go and rest, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.